Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope this video find all you guys doing well and in good spirit and just keeping the faith. Okay, this morning, let me tell you what we're going to be doing. It is a subscriber request and it is a blueberry crunch. If you guys remember when I did my weekly meal, I had the blueberry crunch in there, and I told you guys that I will be doing the video on it. And some of you already had sent me a comment and told me that you wanted me to do the blueberry crunch. And one young lady told me she had fixed a blueberry cobbler and she had pineapples in it. Let me know if this is similar to it, because I was like, pineapples in it. So okay, you guys, let me tell you what we're gonna need for this here easy, delicious blueberry crunch. Okay, I have 3 cups of blueberries, and it is 1 box of yellow cake mix. Use whatever brand that you prefer, that you are comfortable working with. It doesn't matter, just as long as it's a yellow cake mix. And okay, I have I got 1 stick of butter. You can use butter or margarine, and I'm going to melt that. And then I got a 20-ounce cans of crushed pineapple, and we'll be using the juice in this pineapple also. Okay, then I have a 1/2 cup of sugar, and then I have a 1/4 cup of sugar. And let me show you something. I will be baking it in this I think this is probably about a, hold it down, huh? I think it's about a 9 by 13, and that's what I always bake it in. I've been baking this crunch for years, you guys. It's delicious. And I'll be talking to you more when I come back to mix it up, because I'm going to show you how easy it is to mix up. And it bakes on 350, and you bake it for 45 minutes according to how your stove bake. You be checking on it, because if it start acting like it's baking too fast or getting too brown, just go ahead on and cut it off. It'll be done. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna let Tuck move over, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys just how easy it is to make up this blueberry crunch. Be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Let me show you just how easy and simple it is to mix up this blueberry crunch. I always try to bring you guys not easy, simple, delicious recipes, and that's just what I try to do. Okay, now I got the pan. You know, I told you it was grease, and we're gonna pour the whole can of pineapple juice. Crushed pineapples over here with the juice. Now I'm using the pineapples in heavy syrup. That's all I can find, and it's fine to use that, or you can get piped in its own syrup. All of that is no big deal, guys. Just pour it in the bottom of your pan. Thank you. And I'm just gonna spread it out. Just as evenly as you possibly can in your pan. Guys, I hope you guys been enjoying the videos and stuff that I was putting out. They all behind, like when you see the weekly meal. I did that the next day after I went to the fresh produce market, but you know, I told you I had a problem, couldn't get any videos uploaded. I didn't let that bother me. I just kept going and making videos, and I think we got the problem fixed now for a minute. But if not, we'll get it fixed and we'll move right on. Okay, so I got this pineapples. Spread it out evenly as possible. No big deal. In the pan. And then I'm going to go in with this 3 cups of blueberries. Hold on just a minute, guys. I got something on. Okay. Chicks. Okay, let me tell you about these blueberries. I washed the blueberries. And the way I wash my blueberries, I just put them in my colander. And I get another pan and I run that bowl or pan and stuff full of water. And then I just kind of dish it up and down with my blueberries in it so they won't get smushed. And you know, blueberries is kind of delicate if you ever fooled blueberries before. And then I usually pour them out on a paper towel or something and let them dry. Okay, we're just going to sprinkle these on the top. I found some other dessert recipes and stuff that I'm going to share with you guys. Desserts and found some other casserole and stuff that I think you guys might enjoy. Like I put more down towards that end than I did up here at this end. Get some of them up here at the other end. I like the way blueberries bake up. How they do all that bursting. That's when I'll tell you, we got to seem like I'm being rough with them, but I'm not. But I'm not. That one don't look too cool. Okay. After you get your blueberries spreaded in, you take that half a cup of sugar and you just sprinkle that over the top of it. Over the top of your blueberries evenly. Going in with my cake mix. You guys remember I told you it doesn't take act of Congress to let's see, give me a little. Usually I sprinkle it right out of the bag because it might try to show out on me. Then you just sprinkle your cake mix over the top of it. These kind of recipes been around for years. Some of you guys probably already have tried some. Let's set this down for a minute. Sprinkle up. Use this. I usually take and kind of mash my cake mix up some. If there's some lumps and stuff up in it, I usually mash that up. Spread it out a little bit. You ain't got to do all of this here, just got to evenly sprinkle it over the top. But I know sometimes that I'm doing it, you know, for at home. I mean, just doing it, I'll be sprinkling out too much or whatever. So I was trying to get it where I wouldn't have too much of that kind of mishap. Where that. Because when I get it all in here, I think I got about enough out the bag so I can handle it pretty good. Really showing you just how I do it. Yeah, I take my spatula. Just kind of spread it out gently. Get all that down. I don't want it burn all of that. So you get an even layer all over. That's all you need to do. I did make such a mess. Must got it in the paper towel. One thing you don't want to do, guys, you do not want to stir this. Just layer it all over like, you know, like you see me layer it. And then I'm just kind of lightly going over with this spatula. Not down real hard, so I won't disturb it. But you do not stir. Do not stir it. Keep all this stuff wiped off my pan because I don't want it to burn. Okay, after you do that, still kind of hot. You just take your stick of butter or margarine, whichever one you want to use. And just spray, just drizzle it over the top of it. Let's set them up in that corner. Everything will be okay. This is low cholesterol margarine. I didn't have my regular butter, so I want to see how this would work in it. I think I've used it before. Knowing me, I have. Can't remember everything. Okay, after you do that, guys, you take that 1/4 cup of sugar and just sprinkle it over the top. And that's it for your blueberry crunch. And like I said, you're going to put it in that 350-degree oven for 45 minutes, I think. If that's wrong, I'll strain it out later. And that's it, you guys. I'm going to get it in the oven as soon as it bakes. I'll be right back to show you guys the finished product. Be right back. Okay, guys. This is the finished product of the Blueberry Crunch. And I tell you guys, the aroma of this crunch is, woo, it smells so good. When you be cooking at your family, anybody that come around gonna think you was sure enough baking up something in your kitchen. Okay, I'm gonna let Tuck move over with the camera, and then I'll come over and serve you guys up some. But let me go ahead on and end the video before I do that. If y'all haven't already subscribed to my channel, do so. Subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Remember, guys, I need your little thumbs up. And leave me a comment down below if you ever had blueberry crunch. And like I said, most of you see the crunch in my weekly meal. Y'all wanted me to fix one, so I did it. And let me get over here and serve you guys up a dish of this blueberry crunch. Okay.
Go ahead.
You got it? Ooh, the stuff is still hot, you guys. I just got it out the oven. I'm gonna burn myself. Push it back some. Let me work. Let's see the bottom of it. My daughter always say, yummy.
Oh, that looks good.
Well, you know how good it is.
I'll
Okay, you guys, I got
a test on that, please, right there.
Okay, you guys, this is the blueberry punch, and I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Remember, stay safe, and may love you guys.
Yeah, I taste that,
Bye.
sample that, and I'm going to put a little ice cream on top of that, and boy, oh boy.
Oh, okay then. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Say bye, Tuck.
Bye.